In this tutorial, we will understand how to create a list of colors which can be used while creating an order. To access this screen, click on Master Colors. Here, we have provided a list of commonly used color. However, you can modify a color, you can delete it, or if required, you can create a new color of your choice. Once a color is created, it will be available on order generation screen. I am creating an order for a shirt. I would like to mention or record the color of the shirt. I can choose it from the predefined list, or I can create a new one from here. Let me choose a color black. Click on proceed, add to order. As you can see, the color is mentioned on the order generation screen. Once I click on save order, the same color will be available on order ticket and it will get printed. This way, you can create an order with detailed information related to a garment. Thank you.